Hey guys, it's Minori and I'm currently traveling around Japan with my partner. Recently, I've been a bit disconnected with the internet. I'm so sorry, but I want to share you a little bit of my journey and hopefully I could upload more if you guys like these videos. Okay, so today I'm heading towards a camping site near Mount Fuji. But before that, we decided to stop by at this parking space. Japan has these parking spaces or rest stops on the highways and open roads where you can pick up some local foods, produces, and crafts. There's just a lot of random shops to look at and foods you can eat.
단판っていうの見て見て見て
絶対好きじゃん。
これは美味しいね。これだ。
豚まんと焼きおにぎり、美味しそう。唐揚げにたこ焼き。350円のお水とりんごジュース。ではいただきます。ジューシー。
おやきの中に豚まんの肉がめっちゃ入ってるみたいな感じだね。食感の違う炭水化物たちだね。Okay, so we're finally done setting everything up and I want to give you guys a quick tour. So first off, this is the fireplace and we have two steps that we're going to use as stools. And onto the right, we have the dining area, and if you go inside, we have a great view of Mount Fuji. Like, look at how perfect Mount Fuji looks. And onto the right, we have the kitchen area slash tent. I'm literally obsessed with this kitchen setup. This is the rice before it's all cooked. I mean, it's so functional, and again, the view is so perfect. Credits to Mount Fuji. I've got all the kitchen utensils. So yeah, I just can't wait to make something right here. And lastly but not least, the tent. Okay, let's make it real quick. Ta-da! Yeah, it's really simple. Okay, I'm gonna close it now because I don't want any bugs inside. And guys, that's basically it. So it's currently 7:05 and I think it's time to start some cooking. And today we're going to make some curry. Let's get started. Let me share you how to make Japanese style curry. So first the vegetables. Honestly, you could put in whatever you want to, but the most basic veggies are carrots, onions, and potatoes. By the way, I did not really cook until I met my partner. I've been cooking for him ever since, so whatever I make is all for him. I'm just his professional chef. It might be a little bit different from traditional ones, but to him it tastes better than anything. So first, let's prep the veggies. So normally, you want to cut them into bigger, chunkier pieces, but here I'm just dicing them all up into tiny pieces. Again, it's not really traditional, but that's how he likes it. Now it's time to stir fry the veggies in a large pot. You could add them all at once, but it's best if you add it in at different times as some heats up faster than others. Lastly, I added some corn, just like he likes it. Any kind of meat is okay. Chicken curry, pork curry. Today I chose beef curry. We're almost done. You want to scoop out some aku, these white foams on the top after boiling the veggies for a better taste, and let it boil until the veggies are all soft. Oh, できてる。おー。はい、では最後にカレールーを入れます。はい、完成。はい。はい、では。
いただきます。
いただきます。
いただきます。うん、おいしい。うん、おいしい。
うん。ご飯おいしいね。
うん。
おいしい。
うん。